How do you solve this? So first is first. If I have this man here, recall that from the concept of indices, if you have what a to power m multiplying a to power n, for instance, this will give you what there? A to power m plus n. If they are dividing a to power m all over a to power n, what do you get there? A to power what there? M. All right, let's use this concept here. What does this mean? This means that this question can still be written as dy dx it's equal to x. Subtraction means they are dividing. Yeah, so it becomes exponential of the first term y being divided by exponential of the second term x squared. The minus means they're dividing. We have minus this of this divided by this of this. That's it. Right, so you have this. At this juncture, it's beginning to look good. And to solve this, of course, this is level 200. So I won't start doing all those things here. What you have to do is that move exponential y down. Abi? Yeah? Please, to get this, move exponential y down, move the x up. Is that correct? So what I will have is now dy all over, this one comes down here. Exponential y is equal to x all over this man here. Exponential x squared dot dx goes up dx. That's cross multiplying. Right? This one that was a numerator would come here as a denominator. This one that was a denominator goes up here as a numerator. If you want to, you can use any method that you like. Multiply through by dx. Dx cancel this. It becomes this times dx. That's what you have here. To cancel this man, multiply by 1 all over exponential y. This cancels this. Multiply this by 1 all over exponential y. You have this. So it's the same thing. What next? How do you solve this? How do you solve this? Integrating both sides. Integrating both sides. You have this, the integral of dy all over exponential y is equal to the integral of x all over exponential x squared. You have this. All right, and in working on this, your task would now simply be please dx please. And in working on this, your task will simply be move this one out. It becomes integral of 1 all over exponential y dy is equal to integral of x all over exponential x squared dot dx. How do you integrate both sides? What do you do? What do you do? Can separate here. The simple task here is this. For this one here, you will use your integration. For this one here, you use substitution. That's the way to go about it. So how do I mean? For this one here, expressed in index form, you have that the integral of exponential what here? Minus y dy it's equal to, for here, you say let u be equal to this part here, x squared. Differentiate this and this, you have that. No, let me do that on outside and bring it here so that I don't mess up this place. So let's look at, okay, that still works now, right? So this becomes the integral of x all over exponential x squared dx. We say let u, right? Let u be equal to this one here, x squared. The problem will now always be, how do I know what to call u? That becomes the problem. So how do I know that u should be x squared or u should be exponential x? How do I know what to call x or what to call u? Well, I think that's where experience comes in. If you take u to be equal to exponential x squared, you still have the same answer. Funny enough. You have the same answer, funny enough. What's du dx here? Du dx is equal to what there? 2x. What's dx here? These two swap. Du all over 2x is equal to what there? Dx. Let's substitute. This will be equal to the integral of x all over exponential u, yeah, dot x all over exponential x squared is u dot dx. What's the x there? Du all over 2x. What's your observation here? This will cancel this. This will now be equal to what there? The integral of 1 all over exponential u dot, what do you have here? 1 over 2 dot what there? What's the next tax here? Move this outside, and that will give you 1 over 2 integral of exponential, integral of 1 all over exponential u dot what there? Du. Right? How to integrate this? What do you do here? Exponential. In the index form, we have what there? This is basically what we have here. And how to integrate terms of this nature? From here, this is equal to 1 over 2. To integrate an exponential function, I have said differentiate by the power and take it as what's there? A denominator. If I differentiate minus u, of course, with respect to u, if I differentiate minus x, what do I get? If I differentiate minus x, what do I get there? Minus 1. So if I now differentiate minus u, what do I get there? Minus 1. So I said to integrate an exponential function, all you have to do is repeat the function exponential minus u, then differentiate its power as your denominator. If I differentiate minus u, it gives you what there? Minus 1. So I'm having minus 1. Work on this now. What do I have here? This minus comes here, Abi. Oh, minus comes here. Goes to numerator. Becomes minus 1 times exponential. What do you get there? Yep. This gives you minus 1 over 2 exponential. Please, minus comes here. Minus 1 over 2 exponential minus u. This minus here is equal to minus 1 over 2. So remove the minus, it becomes what there? 1 all over. Don't tell me use part. If you ask who use part, what they say who is teaching you, don't call my name. It's called exponential. So exponential this. What's the value of u? X squared. So what you have is minus 1 over 2 dot 1 over exponential x squared. And that gives you what there? Minus 1 over 2 exponential x squared. That's what you get. It's quite lengthy, but it is what it is. Let me know, please. Any question on this, please? Let me know. Any question on this? Let me know, please. It's quite a process, anyways. Quite a process. In essence, let's confirm. I have differentiated this, Abi, this value, and I have as my answer there. My answer is 1 over minus 1 all over 2 exponential x squared plus. Let's see. What about this side? What do you have here? What do you have here? I think this and this are similar. This and where? This and this are similar. The only difference now is that it doesn't come 1 over 2. Right? But don't worry. How do you integrate exponential? This becomes exponential minus y divided by what there? minus 1. So simply differentiate minus y. Of course, with respect to y, it gives you minus 1. So I have this. So this is equal to minus 1 all over 2 exponential x squared plus c. We're getting there. Are we done with this part, please? When you go home, look for as many problems on variable separable and direct integration. Just dwell on them throughout this week. From now to next week Saturday, solve up to 50 questions. 50 questions. All right. So how do you solve this? What happens here? Look up, please. From here, this minus goes upward. So I have minus exponential minus y. It's equal to minus 1 all over 2 exponential x squared plus c. Of course, I want to eliminate the minus first. Right, so what do? Multiply through by minus. So it becomes exponential minus y. It's equal to, take minus for this, it becomes positive 1 over 2 exponential x squared. Take minus here because what there? Minus c. Right, if I have exponential, I want to take it out. What do? Huh? I have exponential here now. I want to get y. What do? Are you taking log? Are you taking lean? Take lean on both sides. You have lean exponential minus y. It's equal to lean of all of this stuff here. Lean of 1 all over 2x 2 exponential x squared minus c. You have this. Of course, this part comes down here. If I take lean of exponential, the part comes down. So you have minus y lean exponential is equal to all of this. Lean of 1 all over 2 exponential x squared minus c. I have this. From here, I've said lean exponential is what there? 1. This value is 1. So this gives you 1. In essence, I'm left with what there? Minus y. If that is true, I will now have that minus y is equal to lean 1 minus 2 exponential x squared minus c. I have this. To get y, what do? Multiply by negative. So y will now be equal to negative of this, negative lean of 1 all over 2 exponential x squared minus c. This becomes the answer of the question. All right, so that's how you solve this question.
Get more by joining our Differential Equations channel membership or visit www.johnnyemanuel.com/courses and get the Differential Equations Made Easy course. Both links in video description.